The walking, alternating, single leg toe touch, also known as single leg kickbacks, is a bodyweight mobility movement that primarily targets the hamstrings. By isolating and training each leg independently, it will help keep the equilibrium between both legs. This will also help you find out which leg is weaker so you can properly strengthen both legs equally. To get started, stand on one foot with the other foot slightly raised with your arms hanging by your sides. While balancing on one leg, press the entire bottom of your foot flat into the ground to help stay balanced. Push your hips back and lower your upper body forward towards the ground as you kick your back leg up as high as possible to stretch out the hamstring on the stationary leg, while touching your opposite hand to your stationary toe. Touching your opposite hand to your opposite toe helps with counterbalance. Focus on keeping your hips square to the ground with your back leg straight. Your free arm can just hang there, or if you need help balancing, extend your arm out to the side. To stand back up, press your foot through the ground, squeeze your glutes, and return to the upright position. Switch legs by taking a step forward, then repeat with the opposite side. If you're warming up for a sprint workout, after moving 5 to 10 meters, run it out for an extra 5 to 50 meters to keep your body moving as you prepare your body for the run. After you take it out 5 to 50 meters, turn around and complete another 5 to 10 meters, then jog it back another 5 to 50 meters to get back to the start. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.